Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new address to your Amazon account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon or the profile icon, which is the second option. Scroll down till you find the Your Account section. Swipe to the right side of the screen till you find this Your Addresses section and click on it. Tap on Add a new address. And now you should select your country here. So tap on the relevant one. Type in your full name, your phone number, your address, city, province, territory, postal code, and here you can check this check mark box, such as make this my default address, so that will be the address that will appear automatically when you want to order something. Here you can add delivery instructions, which is totally optional, such as select a property type, such as house, apartment, business, other. Where should we leave packages, such as front door, back door, building, reception, and so on. When is this address open for deliveries? Here you can select from these options. Can this address receive deliveries on federal holidays? What do we need to enter and deliver to this building? Additional instructions to find this address. If you want to continue, tap on the button continue and then press add address. So all of these data and information will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.